It's not every day that an HVAC contractor went to prison for murder for hire.
There are more R22AC systems in the U.S. than there are throughout the world.
HVAC people are nuts, man. They're all crazy. Oh, I'm sure y'all got a story to tell. He's like a mythical character living in the suburbs of Dallas, running an HVAC company. The guy's an absolute nut, but he did get my AC system working again.
I don't know. People think he's kind of strange, but I think he's cute.
So his whack job shows up to come fix my AC, piercings from head to toe, tattoos all over, a bleached blonde mullet. But you can't help but like the guy. He introduced himself as Jose Exotic, the HVAC King.
Why am I the HVAC King? It's because my fans love me. I love to party and have fun, and I'm the best looking HVAC contractor in Texas, that's for damn sure.
But Karen Basket keeps saying I shouldn't be an HVAC contractor.
If he ever had an enemy in his life, it was Karen Basket.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, this is Karen Basket with Big AC Rescue.
Karen is the Mother Teresa of air conditioning.
We will end the use of traditional air conditioning systems in this country.
This is my way of living, and ain't nobody gonna tell me how to live any other way.
Karen has an army of people working for free.
She's a plain out hypocrite. She literally does everything that I do.
So, Jose said, will you go to Florida and what? Kill that lady. What a story! And it got way bigger.
Sometimes I say I'm the prototype for Scarface.
You're gonna have to kill me to shut me up. This is my first album, I Saw Furnace. 28 songs and 16 music videos.
'Cause I saw furnace, now I understand. I saw furnace, and the furnace saw a man. I saw furnace, and the furnace saw a man.